What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be checking out this. This is the Google Nest Mini, Google's second generation of the small smart home classic. So let's get it open and let's check it out.
For old time's sake.
So once you actually get the plastic off the box, it's just like any other Google device. Now, this box is a little larger than last year's model or the previous year's model. It's a little bit longer, and this is basically what you get on the inside. You get the smart speaker, the Google Nest Mini. Now, Google has rebranded all of their smart home devices, and now they're basically going with the Nest name, signifying home, basically. This now comes in this extra color, which is sky. Now, you have the coral, you have the charcoal, and you have the sand or the white that it already came in. It basically looks exactly the same though. Now, the top mesh part is now made out of a reusable plastic material, so it's environmental friendly. You got your mute, you got your power, and you now have this new actual wall mount piece that you can hang this up on the wall, and we may see that a little later on in some of my future videos. Also, in this box, you're going to actually get your charger and your normal Google instructions. So actually, compared to last year's model, this is exactly the same size. Now, Google has actually added a little bit of a bit bigger speaker in here, so you're going to get a little bit of a deeper bass sound when you use this. So setup on this device is going to basically be a breeze. You're going to download the Google Home app. You're going to basically just follow the on-screen tutorials. It's going to walk you through everything that you need. Once you get all that done, it'll actually go through voice recognition. You're going to be able to set it up to your own Wi-Fi and configure it. You're going to be able to give it a name. Whatever you want to do with this is going to be in your hands. So basically, once you download that Google Home app, you're going to run through there. Everything that you need is going to be on point. It's going to walk you through. It's simple. It's easy. It's going to be a cakewalk as a setup process. So as I mentioned earlier, it has a larger speaker in there, slightly larger. It's going to give you a little bit more bass. You now have 3 mics built into here instead of 2. You have touch controls up top now. Also, you're not going to get music touch up top. So when you touch, you're going to play and pause. So we're going to just try a song out. Pick up the pieces.
Okay, Pick Up the Pieces by Average White Band, playing on Google Play Music.
Also, it has ultrasound technology. So when your hand gets close to it, it lights up, just letting you know where you're going to touch it at. And then you can tap those down and tap them back up. You can pause from the top. You can play from the top. Once the music is going, like I said, you wave your hand over. Your ultrasound technology is going to pick up that you waved your hand, and everything is going to be good to go with this device. So also it has what we call the ML chip. Now the ML chip is going to learn your routines, your things that you use on a daily basis, like turning on your lights, turning on your cameras, things of that nature, your TVs. So it's going to basically pick up on what you normally would do, and it's going to be able to use that offline. And that technology is not hit quite yet, but in future updates, you will be able to use that with this new Google Nest Mini. Also, it has ambient IQ, so it's basically going to drown out any noise in the background and kind of give you the best sound from this device that you can get whenever you're listening to music or getting your updates or things of that nature. So you can pick this up for about 49 bucks. Now, around the holiday seasons, you will be able to get this on sale for about 35 bucks. Best Buy, Amazon, Google. You can get these anywhere that major electronics are being sold. But basically, this is going to be a good little device for you to get if you don't have one. If you already have the first generation, I don't really see a reason to upgrade, just because the sound quality is really about the same. The only difference that you're getting is the little lights on the side, and you're getting the pause play. You get the ML chip, that ultrasound, just little things that really don't make a big difference right now. But if you're one of those people that has to have the latest and the greatest, I suggest you probably get it while it's on sale. I picked this one up for about 35 bucks. Regular price is going to be, like I said, 50, and you can go and get these right now at Best Buy. As mentioned, these come in 4 separate colors. You get the coral, you get the sky, which is the newest color, you get the charcoal, and you get the white. So anyone will fit into any room. You just get one, sit it around, and like I said, this one here has the wall mount. This is the new one with the wall mount on the back. You can actually put this up on a wall, and I'm gonna try that out somewhere in the house. I'm just not sure if I want to see this cord going down the side of the wall right now. But that's been it, guys. A pretty neat little device. I've done reviews on this before. I will do a comparison if you guys want me to. Like I said, it's not a whole lot of difference between this and the other version, the first generation. But if you want a comparison, let me know. Drop your comments below and I will do that for you. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.